It's hard to believe your air conditioning system is more than a decade old. And so if you haven't had maintenance done on your system recently, it's probably time to get that done right away to ensure you save time, money, and frustration. Hi, this is Jacob McBee with My Favorite Service Company. And if your system's older than 10 years old, that equates to more than 2 million miles that it's traveled. That's a ton of miles. So in this blog, we want to talk about things that you can do to help protect that system, keep it running safely, or if you're ready for a new one, what you should do about that. First, having your system checked annually is important. And the older it gets, the more imperative it is, because let's face it, an older system is going to be more likely for breakdowns and problems. So if you haven't had that done recently, I would recommend give us a call or visiting our website. You should be maintaining and having your heating and cooling system professionally cleaned, each of them once a year. This is just as imperative as changing the oil in your car. Maybe more important, your heating and air conditioning system is the lifeblood that protects the comfort in your home. In today's South Texas weather, it's a health hazard not to have that. So if you're unsure when it was done or need to have it done, I recommend giving us a call or visiting our website. Planning for your air conditioning and heating system replacement. So if your system's older than 10 years old, it's getting about that time. You need to really start thinking about it. You see, in South Texas, the average air conditioning system is around 12 years. So you're really getting to the end of your system's life expectancy. Many people say I should start saving some money 2 or 3 years in advance. Well, that's a great idea. But in today's world, we have financing, and financing is so easy. Like me and many others, you might think, well, I don't want to get an inquiry on my credit because I want to protect my credit. In many cases, we can actually get you a pre-approval with a soft inquiry. That means it doesn't even show up on your credit report. So if you're thinking about a new air conditioning system, just call us or visit our website. We can get you pre-approved fast and easy. If your system's about that age and you're thinking about replacing it, don't wait. Let's face it, it's not going to break at a convenient time. Plan in advance. And hey, in today's world, My Favorite Service Company can help you get most of this stuff accomplished virtually. We don't have to come out to the house and sit across the kitchen table from you. We make it fast, convenient, and easy. And with many options available, we're sure to meet your monthly budget and make sure that you're cool and comfortable with warranties for many years to come. Give us a call or visit our website.